I love this camera. Like, this camera is really What's up everybody on YouTube, how you guys doing today? Welcome back again to Nenduboy channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn your notification button on and don't forget to like this video. And today guys, I am back again with an unboxing video guys. You guys see what I have on my hand? I have a camera on my hand, Canon G7X. Finally guys, I have finally got my vlogging camera, and I'm gonna be taking this camera to LA very soon. I'm gonna be vlogging with this camera, so I'm trying to see if I'm gonna upload this video sometime soon. But this camera is really amazing and nice, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video guys, and let's see what's in this box guys. Let's get it, man. So let's see. I mean, by the way, this camera cost me $750. You guys don't want to know the prices. This camera cost me $750. So let me start by checking what's on the box. So guys, I have this right here. I guess the manual book. Got the manual book. Getting started. Yeah, it's the manual book. And I have the warranty right here. I have the warranty right here, purchase date, blah blah blah. And I have I guess, I don't know what this is. I guess I have online photo album. I can put my photo album online. Let's keep seeing what is in here. So guys, next I have the charger. I have the charger for this camera. Let me see how the charger is. Whoa. So guys, this is the charger right here. Pretty nice, pretty cool, pretty small. This is the charger right here. And next, I have the battery. So let's see what is in the battery, guys. So guys, this is the battery right here. I mean, it's pretty cool. Very small battery, like it. See, it fits in here like this, and you plug it on the wall and charge it. And next, I have a thing like a rope. If I want to charge my what is this? So I have like, yeah, if I want to carry my camera on the hand, I have this. It's a pretty small camera. I have it. I love it, man. It's pretty amazing. I like that. And next, we are finally gonna show the camera, guys. We're finally gonna show the camera. My bad, guys. I lost my voice, man. So guys, this is the camera right here. Pretty secure. Oh my god, this camera is beautiful, guys. I love this camera. Like, this camera is really small, and I love it, man. Like, look at how small this camera is. And it's a touchscreen. It's a touchscreen. I love it. Pretty nice. Like this, take good pictures. So let's operate this camera. So you open it from right here. Let me put in the battery. The memory card goes in this slate. There's a slate right here. This memory card goes in and the battery goes in. So it's kind of put the same place. So let's put the battery on there. Put the battery on. Lock it. So the battery is on there. Turn it on. It turns on. Whoa, this is very nice, man. This is pretty nice. So guys, when I first turned it on, I gotta set the time and date. So guys, let me try to set the time and date. So the time right now, oh, I guess it went up. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I don't really care. Oh my god, guys, this camera is freaking amazing. This camera is so amazing. I have it on right now. Guys, I have it on right now. If you guys can see. Whoa! I look amazing in this camera, guys. What's up, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Michael back again with another YouTube video. Whoa! It's really beautiful, man. I love this camera, guys. It's very crispy. I love it, guys. I love it, man. So let me turn off the camera and put in the memory card. let me record with the camera so I can show you guys how good quality. You're gonna see me compression of my video, and this camera. Let me put my memory card in here. Pretty cool. So let me have this right here. You know, this is a pretty small camera. That's why I bought it, because I can have a. Okay, guys. So I don't like this one. This one is not pretty strong, but I will try with it, work with it, see if it locks. Okay, that is it. That is the highest it can go. Let's get it, guys. Let me turn the camera on. Let me try to record a video. Okay, skip. Oh my God, man! I just took a picture, and this camera is freaking amazing, guys. Let me record a video real quick. How do I record a video? Let me record a video. So I gotta go to record a video. Yeah, what's up, guys, man? It's your boy Michael back again with another video, testing out my new camera. How you guys like this quality? It's pretty amazing. How good this camera looks on me right now. I look really handsome. You can zoom in. I think you can zoom in. Why is it not zooming in? Okay, you can zoom in. Woo! That is so crazy, guys. Guys, you see, my battery just died. I'm gonna charge the battery. Guys, I'm gonna be showing you this video, how the quality of this video is. I mean, my camera died, but it's all good. I'm gonna try to get as much quality as possible. But you see, this camera is pretty. Like, the movement of this camera is amazing. I am turning in circles. I am talking in circles. But the focus, that's one thing I love about this camera. The focus on this camera is, oh my God, it's A1. I love this camera so much. I mean, I can jump. I'm still not losing focus. I can run. I'm still not losing focus, guys. This camera is pretty amazing camera. And the lighting on this camera is A1. I love it, man. This is the best camera I ever bought to do my YouTube videos, and so I'm gonna try to get you guys more quality. But guys, you see how good, I'm gonna show you the clips that I have, and you're gonna see how good and crispy this camera is. I love it, guys. It's really an amazing camera. I can't complain. I just want to say thank you very much, guys, that you guys have been watching my YouTube video. I'm taking my YouTube really serious. I'm trying to put more videos out there for you guys. I'm probably gonna be uploading this video on Monday because I'm leaving the LA tonight or tomorrow. So I'm gonna upload this video, and I'm gonna be dropping videos every day this week. I'm gonna be vlogging all week. I'm gonna be in California, so you guys are gonna have more content to bring to you guys with my amazing camera. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. If you love Nenduboy channel, this is a pretty cool channel, pretty YouTube channel. I like to talk to people, I like to hang, I like to be a happy person, man. If you're pretty new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to turn your notification button, guys. And let's get it, guys. Nenduboy squad in the building, man. Gang. Let's get it, man. Peace out.